Hey everybody, how's it going? Today, I bring you this 2001 Dodge Viper RT10. And this is going to be a full, in-depth tour of the Viper. We'll start it up, show the engine, get an exhaust clip, and go over the performance data, and show you a bunch of the features on the interior as well as exterior. And today, I'm at Independence Motors of Charlotte, North Carolina. And so, without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up, let it run. It's a red exterior with black leather interior. 6-speed manual transmission. Has 4,500 miles. Very nice. It's a leather wrapped steering wheel, side bolster and extensions, nice and tight. Like I said, it is a 6-speed manual. All the way over and up for reverse. Leather stitched handbrake. And your power windows are located up here. So let's go ahead and turn on the headlights, fog lights, as well as the hazards. And we'll check out the exterior, shall we? Projector headlamps. If you look closely, you can see that the Viper emblem does have a scaled pattern to it. "18-inch polished alloy wheels, Michelin performance tires, painted calipers, functional side vents, it does have a removable tonneau cover, hood vents, center dual exhaust pipes, go ahead and pop the hood. There's 2 levers. First one is located up inside here. Pull it down. That releases the first step, and then pull here for the safety latch. It brings it up. Then all you have to do is just grab it towards the middle and hoist it up. The Viper comes with an 8-liter, 20-valve V10. Puts out 450 horsepower at 5,200 RPM and 490 foot-pounds of torque at 3,700 RPM. Has a rear limited slip differential and 4-wheel independent suspension. 18.5 gallon fuel tank. Miles per gallon ratings are 10 city, 19 highway. soft touch door panels, full perforated leather seating, heavily side bolstered, plenty of grip. And let's go and see how she sounds. Fantastic sound. Simple to use climate control. Different zones. Alpine CD player. Your temperature, oil gauge, voltometer, and fuel gauge. Power mirrors, dimmer switch, your airbag controls, and it does have a tilt steering wheel. Alrighty, let's go ahead and shut her down. Check out the rest of the vehicle, shall we? Has modest trunk space, trunk support bar, goes right there. With this stuff removed, obviously. The instructions, the removable tonneau cover. Paint protector. It's a manual passenger seat. These cars come without a glove box. Nice wraparound dash, blends into the door panel. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this in-depth tour on the 2001 Dodge Viper RT10. Be sure to stay tuned next time, there's a lot more where that came from. Take care everybody.